Dear students, welcome to this video. In the previous video, we solved ICSE 10th Mathematics sample papers, section A, all the 4 questions. So in this video, we can start with section B. So we know that section B, you will get more options. You can solve only 4 questions here. So let us start with the first one here. The first one is given, it's question 5. Option A, 2-digit numbers contain smaller of the digits in the unit place. So 2-digit number, we know that there should be 1's place digit and 10's place digit. It's given smaller should be at the unit place. So this is the smaller one. Now the bigger should be here. So bigger it is here. So if we take the bigger as say x, and smaller we don't know, it should be calculated. What's given here? The difference between these two, x minus that digit which one not given, which is equal to 5. So taking this to the other side and this to this side, you will get the smaller one, it is equal to x minus 5. So we can write here, let the bigger digit be x, then the smaller digit be which one? X minus 5. Now another one, it is given the product, it is equal to both these. If we multiply, you will get 24. So x into x minus 5 is equal to 24. So opening this bracket, you will get x square minus 5x. Taking 24 to the side, minus 24 equal to 0. So factorizing this one, splitting the middle term, you can see x square minus 8x plus 3x, we will get minus 5x, and minus 3 into minus 8, you will get minus 24 equal to 0. So from the first two terms, we are getting x common, taking x common out, x minus 8 plus 3 into x minus 8 equal to 0. So x minus 8 into x plus 3 equal to 0. So using zero product rule, we are getting x minus 8 is equal to 0, which implies x is equal to positive 8, and x minus 3 equal to 0, which x plus 3 is equal to 0, which implies x is equal to minus 3. So digit of 2 digits number cannot be negative. So any digit cannot be negative. Number can be negative, but digits cannot be negative. Therefore, what we can say, the bigger digit, is it the bigger digit, which we can take as say x is equal to 8, positive value. Therefore, smaller one we can say smaller digit, which is equal to, what's then? X minus 5, that is equal to 3. So therefore, the 2-digit number, 2-digit number is 83. So this is the way we can solve. Next question, let's go for the next one. Here it is. Option B is given here. Using properties of proportion, find x and y given that x cube plus 12x divided by x square, 6x square plus 8 equal to y cube plus 27y by 9y square plus 27. So using componendo dividendo, so we can write here using componendo dividendo. What we can say? X cube plus 12x in the numerator plus the denominator 12x, 6x square plus 8 whole divided by numerator minus the denominator, minus of 6x square become minus 6x square, minus of 8 become minus 8 here. Similarly on the other side also you will get y cube plus 27y plus 9y square plus 27 whole divided by y cube plus 27y minus of y square, that become minus of 9y. Minus of 9y square become minus 9y square plus 27 minus 27 here. So this is nothing but in the form of a cube a plus b the whole cube. A plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube, and a minus b the whole cube is equal to a minus, we can say a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab plus 3a square b square a, is it? So the same way we can write 3ab into a plus b. If we expand, you will get 4 terms here. So instead of a, it's here x, and instead of b, it is square cube root of 8, that is 2. So in the numerator, you will get x plus 2 the whole cube. Denominator, you will get x minus 2 the whole cube. The same other side also you will get y minus cube root of 27, it is 3. So y plus 3 the whole cube in the numerator, and y minus 3 the whole cube in the denominator. Now taking cube root on both sides, what you will get? X plus 2 divided by x minus 2 equal to y plus 3 divided by y minus 3. Again, if you use componendo dividendos in applying componendo dividendo, what you will get? X plus 2 plus x minus 2 divided by x plus 2 minus of x become minus x, minus of minus 2 become plus 2. Similarly, on the other side also y plus 3 minus y plus 3 here, divided by, so this is minus 3, sorry, it is minus 3 here. Denominator is minus plus y minus 3 divided by y plus 3 minus y plus 3, is it? So minus of y minus 3 become minus y plus 3. Now you can see my 2 minus 2 is 0. So x plus x, 2x in the numerator. Denominator you will get, x minus x 0. So 4 will come. The same here also you will get 2y by 3 plus 3, it is 6 here. Then numerator and denominator we can simplify. So you will get x by 2, dividing both by numerator and denominator by 2. The same here also you will get y by 3. Making, taking y to the other side, y to this side, and x to 2 to the other side, what you will get? You will get x divided by y is equal to 2 will goes to the numerator, 2 by 3. So x is to y we got equal to 2 is to 3. Is it? So let us go for the third option here. What's that third question here? Is it given here in this given figure? ABC is right angle triangle with angle BAC is equal to 90 degree, and shown here the figure it is given here, and AD it is drawn perpendicular to BC, the hypotenuse, so that we are getting other two right triangles here. Prove that these two right triangles are similar to each other, the smaller ones, is it? So, and also asking to find out AD if BD equal to 18 and CD is equal to 8, and also find the ratios of these two similar triangles. So first of all we can do the first part. So given here, what given? Given here triangle, angle BAC is equal to 90 degree, that's given. And also given the lengths of BD. BD it is given here 18 centimeter, and CD it is given here 8 centimeter. And also given which one? AD it is perpendicular to AD, perpendicular to BC. That much given here. Now need to prove what we need to prove. We need to prove that triangle ADB similar to triangle CDA. Correct? This one we need to prove. So how we can prove this one? Proof part here. We can consider this triangle. Which two triangles we can take here? The triangle CDA. So we can see CDA is this small triangle and CAB. Correct? So both of these we can say ADB and CAB is CAD. Is it? CADB and other one it is CDA. Correct? These two we need. So we can first take this triangle. In triangle we can write here. In triangle, which one? Triangle ADB and triangle CAB. Which two angles? We can say angle ADB equal to angle CAB equal to 90 degree. Both these are given. Reason should be written. Okay, and also one common angle you can see B, it is common for the bigger triangle and this ADB here. So we can write angle ABD equal to angle CBA. It is common angle here. Is it? Common angles. Common angle. Now both these angles are equal in two triangles. We can say both these triangles are similar. ADB similar to triangle CAB. By which rule? By A similarity rule. Right? Similarity rule. So both these are similar, so we can put this as equation 1. Similarly, the same way we can see, if we consider these two triangles, these are common angle and one angles are 90 degree each. So this triangle and the big triangle are similar, so we can write similarly. Similarly, which two triangles are similar here? Triangle CDA similar to triangle CAB. Correct? This is the bigger triangle. I am writing here equation 2. This is also by AA similarity. Right. So both these equation 1 and 2, what we can say? Therefore, triangle ADB similar to triangle CDA, because both these triangles are similar to the same triangle. Correct? We can write that one, yeah, from these two equations and 2. First part over, and the second part we can write here, that one. Yeah, second part you are asked to find out AD. So both these triangles are similar. What we can say, their corresponding sides ratios are equal. We can write here AD by which one? AD by DB equal to CD by AD. Reason AD here, not AB. Yeah. So reason we can written, both these triangles are similar. Which two triangles are similar? Triangle ADB similar to triangle CDA. Correct? So both these are similar. So we can take this one from making cross multiplication. You will get, yeah, AD square is equal to CD into DB. So AD is equal to what we can say, under root, yeah, CD into DB here. So what we can say, under root 8 into 18, which is equal to under root 144, correct? 144 equal to 12 centimeter. So AD we got 12 centimeter, and one more it is there, areas. We know the we know that the theorem here, ratio of areas of similar triangle ADB by area of triangle CDA, isn't it? We know that the square of ratio of their corresponding sides, AD by CD the whole square. So we can write AD, we got 12, and CD it's given 8 the whole square. Simplifying 12 by this one, both these are divisible by 4. So you will get 3 by 2 the whole square. 3 by 2 the whole square means 9 by 4. So the ratio we got 9:4. That's all. So in the next video, we can go through the next question of section B. Okay.